Anyone can make a couple of quick bucks here or there, but if you truly want to make money online, first you need to actually decide if this is what you are actually passionate about. There are all types of people who want to sell you get-rich-quick schemes where you can make $10 an hour, $100 an hour, or even $1,000 an hour, or even more. Truth is, perhaps there's the odd trick or gimmick where you can do a particular survey or answer some questions or submit something and you get a one-off payment. But to truly make money online, you need to be dedicated to whatever it is that you're doing. So it's better to focus on what you truly enjoy rather than trying to make crazy amounts of money in quick hits which won't be sustainable and is probably not worth the time. How to really make money online. If you need a quick hit of money for whatever particular reason, there are many skills that you would already have that you could put to use to get quick capital. Whether it be signing up to task websites or outsourcing websites and doing particular tasks for people who might need it, which might be online or in person. The truth is, unless someone hands you a business, you're not going to just earn a stack of money without putting in a lot of work, a lot of effort, and a lot of learning. Even in the rare case that you did inherit a business that's successful, that's still going to be going downhill quickly if you don't put effort into keeping it going. So if you want to make a lot of money at anything, you need to be dedicated and accept it's going to take time and you're going to need to build up experience to make money at it. However, if you're looking to earn more money, you should focus on being great at what you love instead of just something that earns a lot of money. Because even if people make it seem as if it's going to be easy money doing something quick, realistically, you're still going to have to put in a lot to get ahead at whatever it is. Whatever you're skilled at, you could ask friends or family if they know anyone who needs any particular work to assist for extra money. So if you know how to make videos, you could offer to make videos for a friend on weekends or at night. You could offer to do your friend's tax returns if you're an accountant. If you're a painter or simply just know how to paint, you could offer to paint a friend's house. You could write articles or blog posts for a friend's business. If you know how to cook and have friends or families that don't have a lot of time, you could offer to be their personal chef. There are many different quick side jobs you could do for people you know or people your friends know if you need extra money fast. The more skilled you are at different tasks, the more you could ask for as well. There are ways that you can incrementally also maximize your existing income without earning more income. There are several things you can do, such as getting a credit card that gives you particular rewards, which might be of a percentage of money back on what you spend, or it might be earning points which you can use instead of money to purchase different items. Depending on what you use the points for and how much you regularly spend, this might be able to cover the whole cost of a holiday, for example, which doesn't earn you money, but it does save you money if you were already going to have that holiday. Try signing up for a better bank account. Shop around for what is available to you that might provide different incentives, such as points similar to credit card points, and also might have better interest rates if you are going to be building capital by keeping money in savings. The next point, which is associated with credit cards, is minimizing debt, ideally avoiding any debt. And if you do have debt or need it, then putting debt into low rate options rather than high rate options of a credit card or a payday loan. So for example, credit card debt can be 10 times the amount for a personal loan or a home loan, and different credit cards have different debt rates, so at the very least, moving to a lower rate credit card might help. Mortgage debt is a different topic, as this is usually at a lower rate, which also enables you to buy typically an appreciating asset. And if it's for where you live, then you're paying the mortgage instead of rent, or if you are renting the property, then you'll have income as well. If you already have debt, you can also go to servicers who assist you to renegotiate that debt, which might cut down the costs as well. Even with a mortgage, shopping around can make a big difference in what you pay, so look for what's available and review it regularly. They say that those people that look into their mortgage every 3 years turn out to do much better off than those who just leave it. Sign up to savings offers that cut down on costs. There are many different options out there that might save you money on your regular purchases. Another option is to use websites and browser extensions that offer money back for purchases, which again returns a percentage of money that you are already spending by buying through their website or tracked through their extension. There are shopping apps that will pay you in gift cards, which you can use for everyday purchases to scan your grocery purchases, for example. The earn rate isn't much, but it's still a little extra without increasing your regular income. Maximize your tax return. Never do anything illegal, and the tax office is the last place you want to cheat. However, plenty of people don't keep receipts or don't even bother to put any of the major stuff into their tax returns and leave a lot of money on the table. Again, just to reiterate, seriously, it's not worth it to try to cheat the tax office. We're just saying keep a track of what you do legitimately spend. Search for missing money. It may shock you to know that there are regularly countless people who have money outstanding that they don't even know about that is stored in a local revenue system waiting to be claimed, which could be from unknown inheritance, unclaimed refunds from shares or university fees, or even small lottery wins. So check your local revenue schemes, which is obviously going to be different depending on where you live, but you might just have money out there waiting for you. It happened to me last year, so this is legit. Sell old items you no longer use. How many people are either too ashamed or think it's not worth it to sell their old items, but small amounts of cash can build up, which could be either invested and keep growing or used to pay down debt and then decrease your repayments. But back to making money online, there are several things you can try. If you're an expert on a topic, try making YouTube videos or a blog about the particular topic. You could also sell coaching on that topic or even consulting. We see a lot of this in businessy topics, which is great, but this goes further. So for example, if you know a lot about TVs, it could be consulting for people setting up their home for a better TV experience, such as which TV, audio, couch combination to buy for the space, advising on which curtains to use to deaden sound. It could be that you know a lot about computers, or at least enough to guide people on what's best to buy for their purpose. With both these situations, usually people have to rely on the salesperson at their local electrical goods shop who doesn't know their house or space. They don't know their needs, but also they get different commissions on different products, so they're not necessarily getting the best option for what they actually need. These are quick examples, but the key point is, even online, you need to know what you are actually doing. Get rich quick schemes don't work, so you're better to focus on improving your skills and other ways you might use your existing skills or the skills you are building, so that you can make money from them, rather than looking for shortcuts to quickly make a little bit of cash. Hopefully this has been good food for thought. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, please chuck me a like, and as always, good luck.